Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are all doing well today. Today I'm going to be showing you a video of the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful wreath, and it is very simple. We're starting off with the wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and that's a 14-inch wreath form, some burlap ribbon, and it's 30 feet, and I got this from Walmart for $3.47, and some white berries from the Dollar Tree and hydrangeas. And guys, all of these florals are from the Dollar Tree, just so that I'm not being repetitive. And I'm using 2 white, and I'm also going to use 2 green hydrangeas. And I'm going to be using 3 pumpkins. I'm showing you guys these burlap pumpkins, but at the end I don't end up using them. So some wire, some scissors, a glue gun, and some glue sticks, and those are all the materials we're going to need to make this happen. Alright, so here we're starting off by just cutting a piece of the wire, and I've showed you guys this before. I just basically taking off that green cover that the wire has. I'm going to fold the burlap ribbon into 4 parts, and I'm just going to secure it onto the wire form. So here we go, and I'm trying to keep you guys in frame. I do apologize if I do get out of frame for any reason, but basically I'm just starting off the wreath, and then we're gonna go ahead and loop 3 times through each section of the form. And so you'll see I start at the bottom section. I'm gonna pull through, and then simply just pull through the middle section. And I'm going to fluff out and make sure that it's all towards the outside. And I'm going to go ahead and do the 3rd section of the loop. I'm just pulling the ribbon through. And then as you can see, guys, I am Cuban and I talk with my hands. So being a crafter and being Cuban, a talking Cuban, it's not a good combination because we do talk a lot with our hands. So sorry about that. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and scooch everything over once I have the 3 loops, and then I'm gonna just simply twist, and that should stop the loops from coming through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start from the top section of the form and pull the ribbon through there, and I'm gonna repeat the same exact steps. We're gonna go out through the middle, pull out the ribbon in the middle, and then we're going to pull out the ribbon in the bottom. I'm trying to make sure that all the lengths are the same, and I just want to make sure that they're even. And then once I have pulled out all 3 sections, making sure that they're more or less the same size, I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing. I'm just going to go ahead and scooch it over towards the part that we just started. And now, guys, this is going to be repetitive. It's going to be the entire form the same way. There's no change. So 3 loops, and then to finish it off, you're going to twist and then start again with the 3 loops. And we're going to do this all around the actual form. And the 30 feet, I thought I was going to have leftovers, thinking, you know, 30 feet is pretty long, and this is just a 14-inch wreath. But at the end of the day, I did use the entire roll for this one wreath, guys, just to give you guys an idea. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Basically, again, we're just doing repetition, guys. We're starting from the bottom to the top, we're twisting, and then we're starting from the top to the bottom, we're twisting, and from the bottom to the top. now that we're getting to the end of the wreath, we're going to go ahead and secure it exactly how we started. We're going to fold the end of that ribbon 4 times and secure it with a piece of wire to the wreath form. And that's it. Just a couple of fluffs here and there just to make sure that everything is nice and even, and that's it. So the next step is going to be placing the actual decorative items onto the wreath. I like to lay everything down and get a feeling of how I'm going to set everything up. And as you can see, these burlap pumpkins are kind of blending into the wreath form. So I decided not to use it, and I'll go ahead and use that for another craft. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue everything down, starting by the pumpkins, which are my larger pieces, and they're my focal point. And then I'm going to go ahead and just add the flowers in tiny pieces. And I'm trying just to distribute the color evenly throughout the entire piece. And then adding the white to fill in any areas. And you guys, I am going to use all 4 of the bouquets of flowers, which is the 4 hydrangeas. So I'm just doing it piece by piece. I thought I was going to have leftovers, but again, I wanted that nice full look. And I wanted to make sure that the ribbon is not coming through in the actual part where the pumpkin is. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add the berries, and the berries, to me, it gives it a nice soft and romantic touch, and it just softens the whole piece up. And I absolutely love the way it looks, and again, it just gives it that nice softness. And then I'm going to go ahead and back. I have a couple pieces left, so just filling in any areas. And this is it, guys. This is how the wreath came out, and you can leave it just like this, but I decided I wanted something a little bit more. So I had these Dollar Tree frames that I bought quite a while back for another project, and I never ended up using them, so I'm glad I kind of didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the paper out that comes inside. I'm not using nothing special, and I'm gonna write a couple of words that I really like. And guys, you can do whatever you want in this section. You can use cardstock, you can use, crickets. You guys can get as fancy as you want, but I really like the black and white. As you can tell, my house is very neutral, so this is the look that I was aiming for, and I didn't have to come up with any other expenses or to buy cardstock or anything like that. I used what I had, and that's my motto. And just a quick tip, you guys, use a little cardboard that comes with the actual thing, and just measure out so you're falling in between the lines. And these are the finished little labels, and I absolutely love the way they came out. So cute. We're going to go ahead and add them on. So again, I'm playing with the positions. I want them not to be straight. I want them to have a little bit of, of a dancing movement is what I call it. So I just, getting them a little bit on the different sides, making sure they're a little bit curved instead of so straight. And I just like that look. If you guys want, you can do it a different way. Again, this is custom, so definitely you can do whatever you want. And this is just another cute idea would be to add photos in the photo frames. This will give it a very nice personal touch as well. You guys, I absolutely love how this came out. You can definitely customize the words to whatever you want, but to me, these are the most precious of precious words, in my opinion. Joy, thankful, love, blessed, and family. So I absolutely love the way it came out. Let me know how you guys like it. And if you were to do something different to it, or you add something to it, let me know as well. I didn't want to add a bow to it just because I think it's a lot going on right now, but I definitely think it's so cute. And it's my first burlap ribbon that I make just like that. And I'm going to be doing another one in the next video. You guys are going to be seeing one that I'm going to do for my master bedroom. So I'm hoping it's going to come out as pretty as this one. I really enjoyed doing it. And here I'm just showing it to you in a different lighting. I went ahead and turned off the middle dining room light, and I put the hi-hats on just to give you guys a different perspective. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's it, you guys. I hope you like what you see. If you guys are new, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're oldie but a goodie, I definitely appreciate you guys' support. And I really enjoy making this video for you guys. I have a lot of different fall videos coming out, and my home tour will be coming out the first day of fall. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I'm very excited to share and continue sharing everything I'm doing in my home. God bless you. Goodbye.